So I've had this IKEA Kullen dresser for about 6 months now, and honestly, I've got mixed feelings about it. When I bought it, at first I wanted a MALM, but it wasn't available. So the second biggest reason was price. It's one of the cheapest dressers you can find on IKEA, and I needed something simple and small that could fit in a small space like this one between the wall and my wardrobe. So on that, it delivered, it's compact, and it didn't hurt my wallet. But after using it for about 6 months, you definitely see where IKEA cuts corners. The drawers run on these little plastic strips instead of real metal rails, so they don't slide as smoothly. Sometimes they stick, and if the drawer is full, it feels heavy just to open it. The laminate also doesn't feel very durable. Mine hasn't peeled yet, but already see small signs of wear, especially around the edges. And to be honest, the look it's a bit cheap compared to something like a mom. So it's fine in a corner or in a baby's room, but not as a centerpiece. Storage is another issue. The drawers are shallower and narrower than a mom, so you can't fit that much clothes. For me, it's fine for socks, t-shirts, or baby clothes like I'm using here in my son's bedroom. But if you want to store bulkier stuff, it just doesn't work. So after 6 months, I'd say the Kullen, it's okay if you need something super cheap, super small, or temporary. But if you want something that lasts, feels nicer to use, and gives you more space, I'll spend a bit more and get the MALM. Or if you are in my case and have this option for a baby's room, it's ideal because in a baby's room, you need something shorter. It's the case of the cooler and with less good materials because it's going to wear and it's for kids to use. So it's not that much important, the materials and the quality and the looks nice feeling. So for me, the coolant feels more like a short-term solution or just a solution for a baby's room. So if you're thinking about getting a coolant or a mom, let me know in the comments below. Here's my opinion. You should get the mom all the way for all the uses that you're thinking, unless it's for a baby's room and you want something shorter. Otherwise, get a mom.